very, very slippery.
Yeah. I think we're alright now, we're on the top drive here.
Alright, you can go first then.
Yeah.
I want to watch you slip and slide. This is very, very slippery here. Doesn't look like it, but it's super slippery. Just look at Dougie in front, struggling to keep the bike up. Front wheel, back wheel, both sliding at the same time. Try not to put your feet down too much, but it's just difficult. Oh. Typical issue for these bikes is to get mud stuck under here, and then it stops your wheel spinning. Yeah, I've released it once already. Yeah. But at least it's not getting any more mud here.
Yeah, but it's trapped on your, you're going to do the same as I ripped. You know how I ripped my, can you turn the wheel? That's it, it's coming out. That's it. We need to get some tools. We'll leave it just now, but we need to put the bolt back in again. Yeah, you need to do the same as what's done to mine. Bullshit system.
Just locked me, nearly came off.
Yeah, but actually it's trapped. Your mudguard was trapped on your bar. On your what do you call it? On your protective bars.
Yeah. I scraped a lot of it out and I thought I'll get off the road because it's just adding and adding to the misery. I prefer to run in this little gully.
It was so bad one time when I was driving, I had to take the whole mudguard off.
It's come on unconnected, but I'll leave it like that till we get back to the main road. If we do. I think this is a lesson, Dougie.
Yeah, after it's been raining.
Today, let's stay on the road.
The lesson is after it's raining, don't go on tracks like this. Field tracks, you know, field tracks. Forest tracks okay, but not field tracks. I think you can follow
I hope so. I'm staying here.
The thing is, when we're not letting the pressures down as well. When we're not letting the air pressure down, it doesn't help.
Yours is higher, isn't it?
Yeah, so I'm saying I raised it 40mm higher. And so far it's working out well. I'll do that on all the bikes.
Down we go to the bottom. Right, can I get across here without picking up a ton of mud again? That's the question. Hopefully yes. simple little slide. Woo! I'm out. Fuck for that. Covered in mud just from that simple little dirt ride. Look, Dougie slid off. It's not easy. We came down here 10 times already. Didn't think anything of it. Now a night of rain turns into ice rink. Nice line. What was that? That was a drum.